Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about the border around content. So first we need to have some kind of paragraph here. I'm gonna copy paste some lorem ipsum from internet just for testing purposes. It's really not important what it is. So lorem ipsum will get the job done here. Save, and no thank you Google, I don't wanna translate this. Right, so let's target that paragraph through CSS. Without ID, without class, because we have only one paragraph here, and the property will be border width, and value will be in pixels, 1 pixel. And you will expect some kind of solid border, black border by default around paragraph. But problem, how to turn this thing off? Yeah, never translate Latin, something like that. Refresh. There you go. Okay, so where is border? Do you need more pixels for border? For example, 10? Well, still problem. If you use 25, what's happening? Problem. So actually everything is fine with the pixels, but we need to use style of the border because you don't have it here, you didn't specify it here. So before pixels you're gonna say border style, and the style will be solid, like a solid line without interruption. And now there you go guys, you have solid black by default line. And of course if you change this to 5 pixels, now you will see those changes. 25, that will be a lot, well, but sure, why not? Okay, kinda ugly, who cares? Let's stick with the 5 pixels for testing purposes, or maybe 10. Yeah, 10, who cares? Right, so what about these types, these styles? How many of them we have? Well, let's go through this line I have on a screen. We have solid, and now we will roll with dotted. So we will have dots all over the place. So let's do that. Add dotted, and there you go, result. So let me actually fix this a bit, something like that, who cares? And dashed, if you want to adjust these short lines, dashed, refresh, there you go, kinda nice, nice angles here. Okay, what inset means, so let's test that. Inset, refresh, there you go, just the left and the top area. And also you have bottom and right one, but you don't see it very well. Who cares, that's just inset stuff. And also outset will be opposite. Outset is opposite situation, and you can change the pixels here if you want to see that better for some reason. Okay, what about double? Let's test the double. And double, save, refresh, there you go guys, pretty much obvious what double means. Groovy, groove, groove. I hope I said that correctly, maybe not, I don't know. There you go. So let's actually have 25, maybe you wanna see that better. 25. So see, there is a difference between groove and outset, inset. So let's see the difference. Inset, see? Okay, and when you say groove, that's like combination of inset and outset. Groovy, groove, whatever. There you go guys. Now ridge, what ridge means? Ridge. There you go, opposite of groove. And hidden and none, you will rarely use these, but let's just test that. Hidden. There you go, you don't see it, like when you don't have any kind of style. And none, pretty much same stuff here. So the most people will just say solid and they will be happy with that. It depends what you do, but solid, dotted, dashed, and rarely double. Okay, rarely double, but all these are definitely rare down there. Groove, ridge, hidden, none, and stuff. I mean, hidden and none, obviously you don't see it, so who cares? Right, so if you stick with the solid, you will be fine in most of the cases. And yeah, so can you have some kind of a shorter variant? Well, sure, you can say border, because border is common in these properties, border, and you will say solid 10 pixels, and now that will work. But of course we need to delete this thing here because we don't want to clashes in code. Border, that will get the job done. There you go, guys. Very simple stuff. Or dotted to add 5 pixels, save, and there you go. Totally obvious stuff. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching and see you next tutorial. Just remember that you can practice with these values. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.